This beautiful brick home offers 3 large bedrooms and 2 full baths. Second level master plus 2 large bedrooms on main level between large bath. 1 bedroom attaches to private office with wet bar sink. Walk outside the sliding doors to patio. Many new updates to this home. New granite in kitchen, custom wood flooring in main living areas, custom kitchen cabinets with pull-out sliders, lazy Susans and grass front built-in china closet. Extra storage and walk-in closets. Large yard with established landscaping, 1.63 acres on a corner lot. Paved drive, fence on driveway opens to a private patio with views of crape myrtles, dogwood and azaleas. Great spot to enjoy an afternoon on your patio. Perfect place to have a garden, add a pool, enjoy pets or entertain guests. Near to Lake Gaston and I-85. Southern charm everywhere, fresh paint and ready to call home sweet home. Call me today to view.